The BJP continues to hit back at Mamata Banerjee as well. The BJP says West Bengal Chief Minister spreading nothing but lies because she knows she's going to lose in the elections.
बंगाल को बचाओ नहीं तो ममता जी खा लेगी। आज देश भर में ऐसा स्लोगन हो रहा है और बंगाल में स्लोगन हो रहा है, बंगाल को बचाओ ममता जी। सारे भ्रांति फैलाने का ममता जी कोशिश कर रहा है। जब दिख रहा है हार उनका नजदीक है, कोई गोमूत्र खाने के लिए किसी को बाध्य नहीं किया। जिसका मन चाहे ऐसा ही चले, जो चाय पीना चाहता है चाय पिए, जिसका कॉफी पीना चाहता है कॉफी पीले, जिसका गोमूत्र लेने का अभ्यास है ले। लेकिन देश का ज्यादा से ज्यादा नागरिक, बीजेपी का ज्यादा से ज्यादा कार्यकर्ता गोमूत्र नहीं लेते हैं, तो ऐसा झूठ फैलाने का क्या जरूरत है। इसीलिए ममता बनर्जी जब समझ गए और बचने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है, पार्टी को समाप्त का कतार पर खड़ा है।
Let me quickly bring in my colleague Pooja into this entire conversation. The controversy continues to explode. Pooja, it all began with the Prime Minister's address. In a sense, he was trying to send out a warning to some of the opposition netas, said, be respectful about people's sentiment and faith and do not put such visuals out in public domain when a festival is being celebrated wherein non-vegetarian is usually avoided. It started with the Prime Minister. Today, Mamata Banerjee has hit back at the BJP in a, unveiled reference to perhaps the Prime Minister, what's been said by Rajnath Singh. But the BJP says all of this is happening because Mamata Banerjee is going to lose the elections. What's going on over this entire controversy in West Bengal and how is it being perceived by the voters, more especially?
Well, the Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee was addressing two public meetings in West Bengal's North Bengal yesterday, and while campaigning for the candidates of the Trinamool Congress, she launched a blistering attack on the BJP. She said that the BJP is trying to dictate terms as far as what one should eat and when should one sleep. She went on to say that when you have tea in the morning, they will ask you to even consume gomutra. She also mentions cow dung and says that they are going to force you to consume cow dung. Thereafter, she says that BJP will go further to even tell you how many hours one should sleep. So besides making all such remarks and comments, she launched not just a blistering attack on the BJP, but also used terms like gomutra, cow dung, and warned people that if you vote for BJP, then these are the consequences one may have to face, and they will dictate terms to you.
Okay, all right. Pooja.